We lost everything again. But you know what? Look here. I don't care how many times things like this happen. Never, ever quit trying. Good morning, guys. Time with Monts Family Homestead. Well, we didn't fare very well with these high winds. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's go inside the hoop house here. Yeah, we had a little windstorm, and that was on today's Saturday. So that was actually on Wednesday and Thursday. And as you can tell, when it gets down to 17 or 18 degrees, plants don't do very well. It used to be the potatoes that were over here. Well, this one's going to work this morning. Oh, you can't see her, it's in the dark. There we go. She works at one of those
loaded tea shops.
Loaded tea shops. Mm-hmm.
She wants some muffins.
I want some muffins.
I'm okay.
You good? All right. Be careful, see you this afternoon.
Peace out.
There's the potatoes. What's left of them anyway. They didn't fare very well at all. But hey, we're gonna pull them up and we're gonna retry. And there's our tomatoes. Reckon we can do any good with those? Again, my wife, when I went to work yesterday, actually came down and tried to put some stuff in the carport and in the that's better, in the house and the utility room and a couple other places, just to see if we could try to save some of these, but there ain't no saving these. So February 2021 is when the power went out and the temperature got down to 7 degrees and we lost everything last year. So the windstorm came through this year, 2022, in January. We lost everything again. But you know what? Look here. I don't care how many times things like this happen. Never, ever quit trying. Because if you quit trying, that means you're giving up. You don't give up. An older gentleman told me when I was a kid, and I'll remember this till I die. He was out there trying to crank his lawnmower. And he called me Tom Tom. That was my name. He said, Tom Tom, he says, one thing you got to understand. And he cranked on this mower and cranked on this mower and cranked on this mower. He said, if at first you don't succeed, try again. We're going to try this again. We're going to get this thing built back again. Watch this. You don't want an apple tree this morning? I figured you did. Here, Ryder. There you go. Hang on, Lilo. I'm coming to you, darling. I'm coming to you. There you are. There you go. All right. Y'all ready to go out this morning? Evie, it ain't that bad. All right, where'd the babies go? Come on. Come on, let's go. Lilo, come on. Leave the bags alone. Leave the bags alone. Come on. Hey, get out of there. Now, come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. No, we're not going back in the we're not going back in the stall. Come on. I got your food out here. Let's go. Oh my word. Am I going to pick y'all up this morning? It's not that cold. Oh, Weeze. Come on. Come on. There we go. Come on. There we go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. No. Oh, my heavenly days. All right, let's go. We'll try it this way. Come on. Come on, Kiara. Come on, Remy. Let's go. All right, come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. Y'all don't think I ain't got a spoiled goat? Lilo. Lilo, come on, darling. All right, sweet girl. Oh, my word. You can't get walking around for goats. Told y'all it's wintertime down here in Mississippi, didn't I? Yep. I like to bust it in my butt just then. All right, I'm gonna put you some up here this morning. There we go. That is thick. I don't know how thick. There's my finger. So 2.5 inches. Up 2 inches, yeah. I see these right here are getting up here. They're caught just making a mess. Your mama is trying to eat. Hello. Yeah, all right, let's get them some hay in the pen. Watch them. They'll jump up there, and you can see the frost too, sparkles. They'll jump up there, and their hooves, there's just nothing to hold them on. They'll just slide right off like a reindeer on snow, I guess you'd say. All right, we've got them. We've got them out, and these have run all over everywhere because, like I said, they haven't been out in a week. And I hate to do them that way, but they do so much better when I put them up. They enjoy the outside. Well, y'all know that for sure. But I got some hay I'm on. Look, your hay, I'll put it right over there for y'all, right over there. But you're going to eat out of my hand. Of course you are. Now this is what I do. This little dog kennel is what I'll go up here and just take these chickens and put them in there one by one. And we're gonna go down to the other side of the property and give them some scratching ground. My daddy used to say, let them chickens out where they can scratch, boy. Alrighty, got them out down here. They can scratch around a little bit and find some bugs, and like there's bugs when it's 17 degrees out here. I bet there's some somewhere anyway. All right, we'll go get them some water and put it in there. So we'll sprinkle a little feed out there too. Well, when you fresh water buckets are frozen, all of those over there are frozen. And then you come even to the southeast side of the house and your spigot's frozen. North side of the house is what I've got covered. Well, let the sun beat on this brick for a little while. Yeah, warming on up. See if we can get this little persuasion. See, it's already warming up. Look at that. Yeah. Oh yeah. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. It might. Yeah. You folks up north have to do this every single day for 180 days. God bless you. I'm serious. Anybody for a nice ice bath this morning? No, thank you. All right, guys, we got everybody taken care of this morning, and just had to get some stuff done, get in the house, kind of cool down. I'm not cool down, warm up. But hey, I appreciate you and love you, and thank you so much for watching Monts Family Homestead. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. And remember, if things don't go right, don't quit. Keep on persevering. Like Paul says, I press towards the mark, towards the goal. God bless you. Thank you for watching Monts Family Homestead. Have a great week.